Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to talk about the solarx project. The solarx project is an innovative and eco-friendly approach to cryptocurrency mining that aims to use a renewable energy source to power the mining process. This is a significant development in the world of cryptocurrency, where mining has traditionally been associated with high energy consumption and negative impact on the environment. Plus, I've got myself my own solarx passive income miner, which is pretty heavy, so I won't hold it for too long. But for now, let's jump into all the important details about this project and this powerful miner. So firstly, let's talk more about what the solarx project is. One of the key benefits of the solarx project is its potential to be used as a model for sustainable cryptocurrency mining. As the crypto industry continues to grow, there are increasing concerns about the environmental impact of mining. So by harnessing solar and green energy, solarx can significantly reduce the carbon footprint associated with cryptocurrency mining, making it a more sustainable and eco-friendly approach. The project's focus on using the latest, most efficient mining hardware also helps maximize efficiency and minimize energy consumption. I think it's great that crypto projects are starting to support green energy alternatives and create eco-friendly approaches to cryptocurrency mining. So we have this logo which says green energy, the future of blockchain energy. And then we can see this order now button. But before talking fully about the miner, about this miner I showed you, I would like to quickly check more about the project and their plans. So here we have this useful dashboard. And as I said, I will skip miner for now, but definitely don't click off because I will talk about it really soon. So right now I will want to click layer 1 button. So welcome to solarx, the blockchain of miners. And we can see revolution, solarx mining revolution. Solarx blockchain is the new evolution in decentralized proof-of-work mining. By allowing miners to access multiple coins built on layer 1, supporting renewable energy and offering a secure, scalable network, we are making mining more flexible and profitable than ever before. Also, I want to mention that this layer 1 blockchain is set to be launched soon. When it goes live, you will have the ability to build on solarx and allocate supply for mining. But you may ask, Hope, why mine on solarx? And I would say there's at least 6 reasons why to do it. So firstly, it's multi-coin mining on a single network. So it's really great to mine multi-coins at the same time, because this way you can generate more income than mining just one token. Secondly, seamless swapping between projects. So it's always great that you can swap really fast. Thirdly, the energy-efficient mining powered by green energy. So as I said, this is eco-friendly project. Fourth reason is improved mining rewards. So as I said, first and fourth goes toe-to-toe. So you can mine at the same time a lot of coins and you will get more rewards. Next up, stake your mine tokens and easy project build. So far, everything looks great to me. Next, we have real-world assets. SolarX is introducing a real-world asset solution, transforming the mining community by integrating sustainable energy practices with tangible asset-backed advancement. And if we scroll down, we have one platform, endless possibilities. Essentially, SolarX is going to build a platform where you can trade real-world assets. For example, in this picture, we can see crypto, stock, real estate, commodities, bonds, equities, collectibles, even art. So I think this is really cool, and this platform will be launched later, but I think it's a pretty cool utility to have. Moving on, we have Launchpad. This feature is also coming soon, as you can see, but the solarx Launchpad will showcase new projects before they go to market. The solarx Launchpad will allow you to participate in projects without being locked into a membership, all the while having the comfort of a robust refund policy. So this will provide more utility for solarx miners, which I find impressive. And lastly, we have partner list. So here you can see several projects whose token will be included into the mining. The project plan is to add more partners in the future, but for now, considering that the project is still new, actually it's impressive that they already have 3 different partners. So yeah, I think it's really cool that you can mine these tokens also. And lastly, we have this button more, which I think is the most useful one for all the viewers here. Here is other options: calculator, tokenomics, white paper, roadmap, and here we can buy SXCH token. And actually, I was really happy about this section because it allows you to check the project details in the white paper, also learn more about SolarX future plans in the roadmap section, and understand how the tokenomic works. Also, you can buy SolarX token, so you can buy it on MEX, BitGet, PancakeSwap, and switch here basically. So let's change euros to USDT. So for $100, you will get 2,868 a lot of numbers tokens in your account. But I was particularly interested in the calculator, but first let's learn about the miner itself before we calculate everything. So let's go back to the miner section. So as we can see, SolarX green energy 50-hour non-stop. So you can actually mine for 2 days non-stop. And here we have this button order. So let's click it and we are redirected to the buying page. So SolarX Miner, an innovative mining device powered by sunlight. So I still didn't have time to connect my SolarX Power because I just got it today and I really wanted to do this video as soon as possible. But they have these solar panels that you connect to your miner. So as I said, with the high quality solar panels and internal battery, uninterrupted mining operations are guaranteed. So I think this is really amazing. Our expertly designed board handles complex calculations for active transactions processing. Go green and save costs with this eco-friendly, cost-effective solution. Experience uninterrupted mining with our cutting-edge device. And we can see guarantee for 6 months, shipping free worldwide, and cables and powered supply, all cables included. So actually, yeah, when I opened the box, all the cables and all the information was in the box. And this SolarX miner costs $740. But if we scroll down, you can actually see important information for purchasing and miners. So I definitely recommend you to read terms and conditions. And here we have also information about miner security that you can check out after watching my video. But just remember, guys, this is not a financial advice. I am not a financial advisor, so always do your own research before investing. And if we scroll down, we can see capabilities of SolarX. So we have power supply, so 50 hours mining with a single charge capability. So as I said, you can mine non-stop for whole 2 days plus 2 hours more. I think this is really great and impressive. Second one, off-grid mining operations. Then we have benefits, generating passive income throughout mining. So this is how you will mine your tokens. Then it's connected and mine within Wi-Fi. So I think it's really great. You just need Wi-Fi connection. Easy coin switching. So miners can switch between different coins directly from the user dashboard. And actually, I will show you later in the video this dashboard. And I'm really happy that you can actually switch really fast between different coins. And then sustainable growth, powered by renewable energy, SolarX miner are part of sustainable future. Then we have learn with manual book. So actually they added manual book in my package, but if you want to read also how this miner works, you can do it here online, which I think is really transparent and great. And lastly, introducing SolarX miner. So we have the video, order now button, and our mining mobile app. So actually I wanted to talk about this. So you can actually enhance your SolarX mining experience with the SolarX app. Download your app to easily monitor your balance, manage transactions, and access all platform features on the go. So actually, I'm really excited to download this into my phone. As I said, I just got the SolarX miners, so I didn't download everything. I didn't connect my miner yet, but I will do everything after I publish this video. But if we scroll up, I actually have you guys really good news. If you use my code in the description, you will get a 5% discount for this SolarX miner. So use my code Web3Planet to receive the discount for your miner. I highly recommend starting mining as soon as possible to generate the best returns for yourself. This is why I also bought this miner as soon as possible. So again, guys, if you're interested to buy this miner, don't forget to use my discount code for 5% discount. And after we learn about the miner, we can go back to the calculator, which I showed you before. So we have this mining calculator. So for example, if you have one miner like me, so in this watt section, you actually need to write 1.92 watt, which is the mining speed, and then click calculate. Per day, this miner mines around $2. Within a week, you can mine almost $14, and within a month, you can mine $60. But keep in mind, guys, this is not only these rewards. As I mentioned in the partners section, you will be able to mine different partner tokens and earn even more rewards at the same time. Also, as the time goes, the mining price should grow and you will be earning even more within a month or the week. So when you guys use my 5% discount code, which will be also in the description, you can check your dashboard. So actually, let's go to my dashboard. So you can do that by clicking this button, login. I am already registered on the platform, but if you are not, just sign up. And the dashboard looks like this. So here you can find how much miners do you have. As I mentioned, I didn't connect my miner yet. So when I will connect my one miner, I will be able to see 1.92 watts here. So this means that I will have one miner. And if you buy more miners or already you have more miners, the number should be bigger. And if we look lower, we can see token. But as I said, there will be more partners joining and you will be able to see more tokens here. Also, when I will connect this miner, I will be able to see those 3 partners that already partnered with SolarX. Also, as I mentioned, the biggest benefit will be that you can mine different tokens at the same time, meaning you will get even more rewards at the same time. So here also you have loads of useful information for miner holders. We have dashboard, my assets, mining history, referral users, order device, my orders, and staking and swapping. So here you can withdraw, deposit various tokens, and also you can stake. So if you want to stake, you can only stake if you have SolarX mining device. So here you can order the device, you can choose how many devices you want to purchase. Also, don't forget to use my code Web3Planet for 5% discount. And then you will have ability not only to mine, but also and to stake. So yeah, guys, I really like that SolarX project has this really eco-friendly idea how to mine tokens. Also, I'm really happy with the miner ability to mine different tokens at the same time, which ensures better rewards for miner owners. So if you are interested and want to buy this miner, use my code for 5% discount and definitely do your own research before, because this is not a financial advice. And before you go, make sure to hit that subscribe button and don't forget to join my free Telegram group where we dive into these projects in even more detail. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.